Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you arrow function in JavaScript. Function we can write function suppose person. We can write first name John, last name Smith. Return first name last name. You can call the function and see document dot write to display the output person. John Smith, we can see. We can return the function data into a variable x equal to x. Then we can replace the function name. Same data. If we wanna use the arrow function in short, we'll use just function and fat arrow and its definition. Same result we are getting. If we wanna pass data as a parameter, para1, suppose address. Para1, you can see the address. Another para2, phone. Something para2. We got name, address, phone. If just one statement, we can remove the bracket. John Smith we got. We don't need this. Thanks for watching this tutorial.